visualize group by in SQL.
So previously we have seen the total sales in each city. Now the question is, what is the total sales in each city, in each category? So for example, in city Delhi, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, in city Delhi, as per category, how much is the sale? Like in city Delhi for electronics, how much is the total sale? In city Delhi, for example, grocery is here 300, and again city Delhi grocery is here for 250. So what is the total sales? These two will be added 550, right? Similarly for Delhi electronics, 600 is sale. Delhi electronics, 1200 is the sale. So total sales will be 1800 for Delhi electronics. Inside city Delhi, in category electronics, sales is 1800 because this and this will sum. So similarly, we have to find on this table. This will help us to understand our group A concepts very easily. So let's just start with it. So first, we'll take from the table. So from sales orders, what we need total sales in each city, in each category. So definitely we need the city, we need the category, and we need the total sum. Total sales is sum of amount column, right? This is the amount column. You have to sum up to get the total sales as total sales. Now we have to group to find it, right? Because if we need in each city, in each category, so we have to group, make the group of city, we have to make the group of category, and then we have to sum the amount. So group by first will be city, then category. I'm just ordering by city. Okay, so this is done. Now if you see for Delhi, all the records are coming together. For Delhi clothing, total sales is 650, electronics 1800, and grocery 550. How? For Delhi electronics it's 1200. Again Delhi is here, and it is getting 600. So this 600 and 1200 becomes 1800 for electronics. Similarly for each city category summed up. We'll understand it more accurately when we are moving to the SQL flow understanding. Okay. So we have this is a sales order table, and this table first we need to group by city, because if you see the SQL statement, it says group by city, right? So we'll first make the group by city. So group by city, it does it. What does it mean? So these two are Delhi, this is Delhi, this is Delhi, and this is Delhi. So all the rows which are having Delhi, they will come together. All the rows which are having Mumbai will come together. So these are the rows which have Delhi in the city, they came together. These are the rows which have Mumbai in came together, and this is the rows which has Pune came together. So this is the way you group by city. So group by city means there are three buckets. One is for Delhi, one is for Mumbai, one is for Pune. Next is you're going to group by here. Now the city is already done. Now you are going to group by category. So what category? So inside Delhi there are electronics and electronics. So these two should come together. Grocery, grocery. So this should come together. Coming together means forming a group, right? So here inside Delhi, you see these two are coming together, electronics, electronics. So this was 101 row having electronics. It came here, 101 row electronics. Next, 1110 row having electronics. It came here, 1110 electronics. So similarly, all Delhi groceries, Delhi clothes, Delhi Mumbai electronics, like Mumbai C. Mumbai electronics is here, that is 103, this complete row. So this is coming, then Mumbai electronics is here, that is 112. So these two rows are coming together, you see here. Similarly, grocery, clothing. Pune has three rows, but all three are different. So there is no grouping coming there, but still we have three groups, three buckets you can think. One is where city is there. Inside the city, there is category divided. Similarly, city, inside city, category is divided. That's how the grouping works. So grouping is first on the city. Complete table is grouped on the city. Then inside the city, category is divided. So this is my group of city. Inside city, this is the first category. This is the second category, and this is the third category divided. Similarly for all these three groups of city. Now if you go to next, what we are going to do, this was my complete table. Out of this we are going to select the city, category, and amount, three columns, right? We will calculate sum of amount, but let's first take these three columns out of here. So now let's break it into its different buckets. Like Delhi is this one, so this comes here, Delhi. It has a category called electronics. It is two times written here, I'm just hiding it one time. So you should know that Delhi is a group. Inside the group there is a category electronics. There is a category grocery, there is a category clothing. So inside Delhi group there is a 3 groups division, right? Category, grocery and clothing, and each group what is the amount. So electronics, inside the electronics there are two values, one is 1200, one is 600. You can see inside electronics two values, 1200, 600. Inside groceries there are two values, 300 and 250. So 300 and 250. So I'm just telling you why I'm writing this 300 to 15 two different rows. Why not in the one row? Because if you see, Delhi is one category. Inside Delhi is one group. Inside the group grocery is one another group. And for that group, there are two distinct values. So I'm writing those two distinct values here rather than writing this two again here. So this gives an idea that till here there is a Delhi. Inside Delhi there is a this group, and this group has these two distinct values. Inside Delhi there is a grocery group. This has two distinct values. Inside Delhi there is a clothing. It's had only one distinct value. Similarly, Mumbai electronics has two distinct value. Similarly for Pune, for clothing there is a distinct value. So all these values. Now we have to calculate sum of amount, right? So for sum of amount we have to sum up. So this is my group one. Inside the group there is electronics group. Inside electronics group there are two amounts. So the both will be summed up. So 1200 plus 600 becomes 1800. So for Delhi electronics total is 1800. Similarly for groceries there are two distinct values. So inside groceries we'll sum them up both. So it becomes 550. Similarly for clothing 650. Mobile electronics 1900. These two values will be grouped. 800 and 1100. 450 will be single and 100 will be single. So this way we'll get it. Three chunks. One is for Delhi, one is for Mumbai, one is for Pune, and all we got value here is sum of the amount. Now from here we can come back to the final results. So final results will be Delhi is a city, category is electronics, total sales is 1800. So total sales is 1800. Again, grocery is having inside Delhi city there is a category grocery which total sales is 550. So inside city Delhi there is a grocery which has 550 sales. Similarly, Delhi clothing has 650. So Delhi clothing has 650. Similarly, Mumbai electronics has 1900 sales. Mumbai electronics has 1900. Grocery has 450. Similarly, it goes like everything, like Pune grocery 400. Pune grocery 400. I hope it is easy to understand now with this much of explanation.